Busy days we have spent with our crayons and pencils, drawing objects, counting numbers, learning our ABC. We can write our names, spell it out loud and clear. We can sing song of love to our Lord Jesus dear. Dearest parents, dearest workers, we thank you sincerely. Here in daycare, we are happy as can be. So goodbye to our center we leave now. Certificates on our hand, and we're happily we bow. Certificates on our hand, and we're happily we bow.